Hello friends, the topic of today's video is cow's milk harvesting process, dairy processing plants. If you love agricultural processing topics, don't forget to click like, share and subscribe to our channel to follow our interesting videos. This is a bulk dairy farm with the purpose of harvesting and producing cow's milk. Dairy cows are cared for and raised with a healthy and hygienic diet. Every day, the farmers on the farm will go to harvest fresh grass in a farm to be the main source of food for cows. The grass after harvesting is brought to the cow farm and used as food for the day. Now let's see the process of harvesting cow's milk. When mature cows meet the criteria for milking, they are moved to a milking area near the farm. Cows are held in place in a milking device to ensure safe milking. Clean and dry the cow's udder before lactation. The staff in turn install milking machines for each cow. This machine has a fully automatic milking function that is not harmful to cows and ensures a clean and safe milk supply. These machines, when pumping milk, will simultaneously process and filter out the dirt in the milk. After milking, the milk will be put into a cold storage tank to preserve the nutritional content of the milk. At this time, milk can be taken away to be processed into nutritious food for humans. Now let's explore the operation of a dairy factory. Milk immediately after arriving at the factory will have to go through the first step in the laboratory to see if there are any impurities. If they meet the standards, they will be heated to sterilize them to remove bacteria. Milk used to make butter must be clean, pure, and free from any source of contamination. The pasteurized milk is put into another device to separate the butter from the water and the rest of the milk. This machine uses centrifugal force mechanism to separate cream from milk. Milk after separation is completely removed. Next, the buttercream is transferred to the butter mixer to create dairy products. The separated butter will be put into a large mixing tank. During this stage, the butter will be beaten and mixed for 15 to 20 minutes. The continuous movement inside the butter mixer causes the fat droplets to clump together and condense to form buttermilk. This process takes place under safe temperature and pH condition. Now it's time to add salt to the buttermilk to give them flavor and extend their shelf life. The amount of salt put inside the butter mixer is about 0.1 to 0.7%. After mixing the butter and salt, they are brought to cool. Depending on the production line, butter will be processed according to different processes. They can be flavored or shipped in a variety of ways. The final step in dairy processing is pasteurization. All butter is heated at a specific temperature for a certain period of time to minimize the amount of bacteria and prolong the shelf life. Once it's done, the butter is packaged. This is fully automatic packaging line. Butter is properly weighed and cut in a uniform shape. This line also performs the correct sealing and labeling steps in turn. After packaging, these final avocado products are stored in cold storage inside the factory. They must be stored at 4 to 5 degrees Celsius to ensure their nutritional content, buttery texture, and flavor. During the dairy processing, food safety standards are followed and high-quality dairy ingredients are also used to ensure best quality products. Dairy factories often use modern equipment and technology to ensure the production process is carried out quickly and efficiently. Thank you.
In today's video, let's explore a large-scale beef cattle farm and see how to make beef balls in the factory. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive the earliest notifications. This is a large-scale beef cattle farm with thousands of large cows living here. On the farm, the breeds of cattle raised are exclusively for beef production. Most of these cattle are brought to the farm at an early age, while some are bred on the farm. Cows are raised in large barns to ensure they have enough space to live and grow for them. The cows are fed a variety of nutritious forages during their infancy to adulthood. This includes grasses, nutrients mixes, and specially produced compound feeds. Ranchers make sure that their cows are provided with enough water to operate continuously every day. The health of the cows is also a major concern. Ranchers have regular health checks and make sure to regularly bath their cows to prevent infections. Cows are also vaccinated against infectious diseases to keep the entire herd healthy. Once the desired quality of cows is reached, they will be processed and sent to the market to produce beef for consumers. The time it takes for a cow to mature varies, but typically takes about 12 to 24 months depending on the breed and how they are cared for and nurtured. This is a beef ball processing factory with modern machinery. The beef ball production process begins with the simple slaughter and handling of healthy and old cows. Then the staff processed to remove the dirt and impurities. The staff then proceeded to remove the cow's head, bones, and organs. This is to obtain boneless cuts of beef for beef ball production. Beef is broken down into several pieces for easy processing. The beef is then pureed and mixed with spices, flour, and salt to add flavor to the product. In addition, during the grinding process, the staff need to add ice to keep the product fresh. The meat is ground until all the spices are well mixed and the meat is smooth to the right level. Then this ground beef will be taken to another processing area where the beef is rolled into small balls. As soon as the beef is shaped into round meat balls, they will be cooked by putting them in boiling water. This process eliminates bacteria while increasing the shelf life of the product. After a while of cooking, the beef will be drained. The next step in the processing line, these beef balls are deep fried in oil. The beef balls are then shaped, packaged, and processed through cooking or deep frying until the meat is cooked and golden brown. This is the end of the beef ball making process. Crispy beef balls are packaged automatically using factory technology. An exact number of meatballs and standard weights are pre-programmed on this unit. It has the ability to calculate and arrange the meatballs into each box according to a certain standard. Right now, the employees standing at the end of the line are responsible for checking the quality of each finished product. In case there are defective or substandard beef balls, they will discard them immediately. The standard cans of meat are moved to the capping area. The production process of beef balls has strict supervision to ensure quality and food safety. Finally, the beef products that have passed strict quality checks will be packaged and taken to cold storage for preservation and brought to retailers to serve consumers. Professional beef ball production process is strictly monitored to ensure quality and food safety to consumers. To ensure food safety, the beef ball processing plant applies strict quality monitoring standards and procedures. Products are packaged and canned to ensure freshness and preserve the natural flavor of the beef. Hi everybody, we are at the cow farm in Japan. These are not ordinary cows, they are the most expensive and delicious beef in the world. Today, we will explore the farming process and the most expensive beef in the world. The Kobe region of Japan is one of the famous areas for Kobe beef production. However, because the process of caring for and raising Kobe cows is very expensive and requires a lot of work, the amount of Kobe beef produced each year is not large. According to statistics of the Japan Kobe Beef Association, the amount of Kobe beef produced each year is about 3,000 to 4,000 cows, equivalent to a meat weight of about 2,000 to 3,000 tons. However, only about 5 to 6% of these are certified as genuine Kobe beef, which is sold at a high price in the market. Cows will be carefully cared for, from food to rest and entertainment. We have serving designed by nutritionists to produce the best quality meat. Kobe beef is usually fed the same diet as any other Wagyu beef. Each farm may have slightly different types of forage, but you can expect them to be fed a mostly grain-based diet, including corn or cornmeal, fermented sugar cane stalks, rice, wheat, barley, soybeans, and other grains. Most animals can also consume some grasses, such as straw and hay. Just like in their natural habitat, but their diets are often fortified with grains. Cows are massaged regularly and listen to soft music. This creates special care for this world-famous cow. Therefore, Kobe beef is considered a rare and expensive product, only for those who can afford to experience it. Kobe beef is rare and expensive, even in Japan. The price of Kobe beef per pound in Japan is around $300, but you can pay around $500 for the best cuts of meat at higher-end establishments. Given its scarcity and expensiveness, most Japanese have never tasted it and often reserve it for a very special occasion. In the United States, you can expect to pay $50 per ounce, while Wagyu can be half as much. At restaurants, Kobe steak is usually consumed in very traditional ways in Japan. Usually, these steaks are super thinly sliced and placed on a plate of rice or noodles. Or they can be thinly sliced and served with vegetables, rice, and noodles. The Japanese usually bake or boil the thin strips rather than fry or grill them, as we are used to in the Americas. Many American restaurants that serve Kobe actually offer some traditional Japanese fare, but many also include Americanized versions of chunky Kobe steak and roast beef on their menus. Either way, the results are delicious. If you're a beef lover, like and share this video. Let us know what you think by commenting. Bye and see you in the next video. This video has brought you useful information and helped you answer your questions. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment below. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to our channel so you don't miss the latest videos.